The idea of working on a multi-million-dollar helicopter is pretty mind-bending. The fact that you're allowed to walk up, perform maintenance on it, take parts off, put parts on, that's a pretty wild concept to get your head around. I came from an aviation background already and decided to change trades for something new, so starting an apprenticeship wasn't overly scary. I was in my late 30s when I first started here. I didn't see any cons to starting an apprenticeship later in life. I wanted to have a career change, and that was one of the best ways to achieve that for me.
I've been at Sikorsky Australia for about 5 to 6 weeks now. Really fresh, really started the career, so it's been good.
My role here is primarily as an aircraft maintenance engineer, but also the role of mentor to some of the new guys coming through. The apprentices, people who are new to the trade, people who are qualified, or people who are just learning about this airframe.
It was a bit nerve-wracking at the start, but as soon as I got in here, all the boys and all the girls are so accommodating, they're so friendly. It's such a nice work environment, and all those nerves were taken away pretty quickly.
From day one, people come in all guns blazing, which is fantastic to see, and then there's a realisation of what we do and the impact that can have.
It's a very hands-on learning experience. Everyone really wants to throw you in and let you have a go.
You get to see them develop as people perform with confidence and competence in their role. For me, I find it really rewarding.
If you want to become an aircraft maintenance engineer, doing it through an organisation such as Sikorsky I think is a really good move. You have plenty of opportunities for growth and career advancement. The sky's the limit with what you choose to do with your job here.
I came from a family that had no ties to anything aviation related. Since working on helicopters, I've been up in 4 different types. I've seen some things that I never thought I would have seen. It's just built my confidence fantastically.
I love coming to work. It's such a long career path. I want to see how far I can go, and I feel like this place is perfect for that.